Creating a personal development plan involves setting specific goals and outlining actionable steps to achieve these goals. Here's a simple guide to help you create your own personal development plan. The first thing is self-assessment. Start by reflecting on your strengths, weaknesses, values, interests, and long-term aspirations. Consider areas of your life you want to improve or focus on, such as career, relationships, health, or personal growth. 2. Set specific goals. Based on your self-assessment, establish clear and measurable goals. Make sure your goals are specific, realistic, and achievable within a defined time frame. For example, if you want to improve your time management skills, your goal could be to prioritize and complete tasks more efficiently. Third, identify action steps. Break down each goal into smaller, manageable tasks or action steps. These steps should be concrete and practical actions you can take to move closer to your goal. For instance, if your goal is to improve your physical fitness, your action steps could include joining a gym, following a workout routine, and tracking your progress. Fourth, create a timeline. Outline a timeline for each goal and its associated action steps. This will help you stay on track and monitor your progress. Set deadlines for completing each action step and achieving your overall goal. Fifth, develop an action plan. Create a detailed plan that outlines how you will implement each action step. Consider any resources or support you may need to accomplish your goals. Be proactive in identifying potential obstacles and developing strategies to overcome them. Sixth, monitor and review progress. Regularly review your personal development plan to track your progress and make necessary adjustments. Celebrate your achievements and learn from any setbacks or challenges you encounter along the way. Seventh, stay motivated and committed. Stay focused on your goals and remain committed to your personal development journey. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of the benefits and reward of achieving your goals. Remember, personal development is an ongoing process, so be flexible and open to making changes as needed. By following these steps and staying dedicated to your plan, you can achieve personal growth and reach your full potential. I'd like to share my self-development plan. Number one, I read books. I start out with the Bible. I read about business. I read books about people. I read love stories. I like novels. And I read about nutrition, health, food. I'll read several things at a time. I read a lot. I also exercise. I lift weights every other day for about 20 minutes, and then I stretch and walk. I walk every day. Then for nutrition, I watch and measure what I eat. I take vitamins and supplements. I just try to maintain a good diet at all times. Health-wise, I have regular checkups. I belong to a bunch of communities. The number one community I belong to is my church. I attend church here. And also I belong to the men's group. I also help with the junior high group on Sunday nights. I belong to Weight Watchers, and I've been a lifetime member for about 16 years. I still go to meetings to weigh in, and I go for accountability from that community. We learn new things almost every week, and we can share what's happening in each other's lives, and it helps us with our weight. I'm retired. I got into a home business about 5 years ago because of that. The business I got into is really pretty interesting. It's an affiliate marketing business. It pays 80% commissions. It's got 4 products. The products deal with the planning your day, accountability, journaling, those types of things is one product. It has another product with a funnel builder, which you can build funnels to promote your business. and web pages and a whole bunch, an array of things. It's amazing for the amount of money that you pay for it. Then I have a premium product, which is basically traffic and conversion, teaching you how to market your products. And the last one is financial literacy. And those products are all paid 80% commission. They're all residual. They're paid monthly as long as you own the products, except the financial literacy is a one-time buy. We have a Monday through Friday Grow Rich call, which is an inspirational call where we get on and we learn and read and share. And then we have Monday through Friday, we have our traffic and conversion meetings, where our mastermind, which is Zoom meetings, where the leaders or some leaders in our community present something and we watch them work. We can ask questions, we can discuss things. We have a sense of camaraderie there. Then on Monday night, we have people share two people share each week what they're using to make sales. Then we have on Saturday a new members mastermind meeting where the business is presented to new people. We have our Freedom Fest event once a year where people can go either online because they show it virtually, or you can actually go in person, and we can spend time learning and fellowshipping. It's basically money to raise money for our mission project that we help. It's called Feed My Starving Children. All the money from that goes to that. And so that's the community I'm in. It's amazing. If you'd like to know more, you can message me or click the link that I have at the bottom. Go to my links page in the bio. And with that, have a great day. Goodbye.